Hi you guys, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. I have a quick review here. This is the Makartt QikGel kit. I'm just going to open it up and just show you guys what comes in this kit if you were ever wondering how it looks and if it's actually worth getting. So as you see, it comes with a base and a top coat. It also comes with a nice nail brush, you know, with the Makartt label on it. The aesthetics of this whole kit is pink and there are 12 colors in here. And right here, I'm just showing you guys the difference between regular polygel and QikGel. As you see, the QikGel is really thin, it's really runny, but you know, that makes it really easy to use for nail art. And I will be doing a nail art video coming up using some of this polygel. And I really loved all these colors in here, the lightness of them, the different varieties. If you guys found this helpful, leave this video a like and don't forget to subscribe.